soft skank guitar. Maybe the sweetest stories are the ones we write together. I never knew a smile could change me until the day you looked my way. You came into my life so gently and turned my ordinary into something beautiful. We didn't have a perfect beginning. There were clouds above our open sky, but every time the road got difficult, you found a reason not to say goodbye. And if tomorrow brings a storm, I'll keep you safe inside my arms. 'Cause every chapter we've survived has made this love more alive. This is our forever story, written heart to heart, two imperfect souls who refuse to fall apart. Through the tears and through the laughter, through the dark and morning glow, every page becomes a memory only we could know. This is our forever story, baby, you and me. A little bit of heaven underneath the palm trees. And if the world keeps changing, one thing will always be true. The sweetest part of my story will always be you. Oh, our story, sweet like love and full of glory. Oh, you and me, writing love's own melody, page by page, day by day, we'll keep writing our love this way. There were moments when I hurt you, and I watched the tears fall from your eyes. I wish I could rewrite those pages, but the past is where the lesson lies. You forgave me when you didn't have to, and I learned what your forgiveness means. Now I'll spend my days protecting all the beautiful things we've dreamed. No story ever comes without pain. No rainbow comes without the rain. But if your hand remains in mine, I'll make our ending beautiful every time. This is our forever story, written heart to heart, two imperfect souls who refuse to fall apart. Through the tears and through the laughter, through the dark and morning glow, every page becomes a memory only we could know. This is our forever story, baby, you and me. A little bit of heaven underneath the palm trees. And if the world keeps changing, one thing will always be true. The sweetest part of my story will always be you. Drop to bass, rim shot and warm organ. If love were a book, I'd read every page. The beautiful moments, the heartbreak and the change. I'd keep every lesson, every kiss, every tear, 'cause all of it brought your heart closer to here. So don't be afraid when the chapter gets hard. I'll be right beside you, protecting your heart. And when we're old and the years have gone by, I'll still see the same love shining in your eyes. Yeah. The sunshine and the rainfall, through whatever life may bring, I'll keep writing love beside you through every season. This is our forever story, and the ending isn't near. We'll keep turning pages through another 1,000 years. And if I had to choose again from everything I know, I'd still choose you, my darling, whenever love may go. Our forever story, you and me. Our forever story, written under sweet. One love, two hearts, one beautiful journey. Starts here. Soft keys, guitar and tropical and slowly. Days by page, day by day, we'll keep loving you in every way. Our story isn't ending, it's only just begun. You and me, forever.
Sometimes love gets lost in the storm, but if the heart still remembers the way, maybe we can find our way home. I remember when the moonlight fell across your face and time stood still. We had a dream by the ocean side, just you and me with the rising tide. But I said some things I can't take back, and you walked away with the heart gone black. Now every sunset calls your name, and without your love nothing feels the same. If I could turn back yesterday, I'd hold you close and make you stay. No pride, no games, no running away. My heart still has something to say. Stay in my arms, don't let this love go. We came too far through the highs and lows. I know I hurt you, but I'm asking tonight, forgive my heart and make it right. Stay in my arms, let the old pain fade. Let's build again from the love we made. Through every storm, through every scar, I'll keep on loving you just as you are. Come back to me, oh, you're where my heart should be. One love, one chance, one more romance. Baby, just stay in my arms. I know forgiveness takes some time, and broken hearts don't heal overnight. But every tear that fell between us made me see how much I need your trust. So take my hand, let the music play. We'll leave the try. From the ashes, from the rain, we'll make sweet memories again. One shot, sir. Stay in my arms, don't let this love go. We came too far through the highs and lows. From our hurt to healing, I'll stand by your side with love and forgiveness as our guide. Stay in my arms, forever we'll be two hearts together, wild and free. Through every season, near or far, I'll keep on loving you just as you are. Eternally, no more running, no more tears. I love you through the years. Stay in my arms, stay in my arms. One love, one heart, forever from the start. Sometimes two hearts lose the road, but true love knows the way back home. I saw the rain fall in your eyes the day we let our silence rise. Two loving hearts in separate rooms, still holding on beneath the moon. I tried to hide behind my pride while lonely nights stood by my side, but every road I walked alone reminded me where I belong. So if you still can hear my heart, don't let this moment tear apart. What took a lifetime to believe is stronger than the pain we leave. Love will find a way back to you and me, like the river finds the ocean, wild and free. Though we lost our way inside the darkest night, baby, hold me close, we'll make this love right. Love will find a way, don't turn your heart away. Let forgiveness wash the lonely tears away. From this moment on, I'll never let you down. You're my sweetest love, my home, my solid ground. Oh, oh, love will find a way. Oh, oh, don't walk away. One heart, one soul, let the healing start. Tonight, tonight, come back to my heart. I remember dancing in the street, barefoot rhythms underneath our feet. Your laughter floating through the air made every little moment rare. Then came the words we both regret, the kind of pain we can't forget. But if your heart still feels the flame, I'll call your love 1,000 names. No perfect promise, no perfect life, but I'll be there through every fight. If you give me one more chance tonight, I'll love you better, hold you tight. Shot. Song down in an intimate worldwide. I don't need a perfect world as long as I have my girl. And you don't need to hide your pain. Come let my love fall like rain. We'll take it slow day by day. Let every kiss light up the way. From broken dreams to something new, my forever still begins with you. One drop drums build gently, melodic bassline, muted skank guitar, warm organ, subtle trumpet and saxophone responses. Love will find a way back to you and me, like the sunshine after rain, across the sea. Every scar will be a story of how we stayed, and every tear will disappear in love we made. Love will find a way. Forever we will stand with forgiveness and affection, hand in hand. Through the changing times, whatever comes our way, I'll keep loving you. Love will find a way. Oh, love will find a way. Through the rain, through the night, we'll be alright. Just hold me close and don't let go. My heart is yours forevermore. Warm electric piano, soft skank guitars, gentle shakers, beat melodic bass, slowly rising, yeah. I met you in the evening glow, soft summer breeze along the road. You smiled at me, the whole world changed. From that first touch I knew your name. But loving you was not always easy. Some days were bright, some nights were crazy. We said goodbye when pride stood tall, yet somehow love survived it all. I've seen the tears fall from your eyes, I've heard the silence, felt the lies. But underneath the hurt we hide, there's still a fire we can't deny. Only you know my heart, only you know my soul. When the world gets cold, you're the one who makes me whole. We may bend, we may break, but we don't have to fall apart. 'Cause after all we've been through, only you know my heart. Only you know my heart. Don't let this feeling fade. Every promise that I lost, I wanna make again. Give me one more chance to show you from the very start that nobody loves you like the one who knows your heart. Only you, my sunshine after the rain comes through. Only you, baby, my love will always be true. Remember dancing close at midnight, your hand in mine beneath the street light. No diamond ring, no fancy place, just sweet reggae and your embrace. Then came a season full of sorrow, always hoping for a better tomorrow. I let my temper speak too loud and lost you somewhere in the crowd. So let me put my pride away, I don't want another lonely day. If forgiveness has a door, I'll be standing there forevermore. Only you know my heart, only you know my soul. When the world gets cold, you're the one who makes me whole. We may bend, we may break, but we don't have to fall apart. 'Cause after all we've been through, only you know my heart. Only you know my heart. Don't let this feeling fade. Every promise that I lost, I wanna make again. Give me one more chance to show you from the very start that nobody loves you like the one who knows your heart. Music drops to bass, rim shot and warm organ. If love is a river, let it carry us home. No more walking this lonely road alone. I'll forgive your mistakes if you forgive mine. Let's leave yesterday behind this time. No more anger, no more blame, just two hearts calling out the same name. Through every season, near or far, I'll keep loving you just as you are. Bassline takes the lead, mute and skank guitar answers, warm organ chords, soft trumpet and saxophone melody. Only you know my heart, only you know my soul. Through the changing tides, you're the place I call home. We may bend, we may break, but our love will never die. With your hand in mine, we'll reach the brighter side. Only you know my heart, now and forevermore. I'm not searching for another, I don't need another door. From this day until the stars no longer shine above, you'll always know my heart, because you are my love. Only you, only you know my heart. Through the rain, through the pain, I'll call your name. Sweet love, one love, forever you and I. Warm electric piano, soft skin time, tropical shakers, deeper at that bass, spoken softly, yeah. Sometimes love doesn't end, sometimes it simply needs a new beginning. Oh baby, let's find a new way. talk until the morning light, laughing away every worry of the night. Then little shadows came between our dreams, and nothing felt as simple as it seemed. I held my pride, you held your pain. We let one storm become the rain. But standing here without your touch, I finally know I gave up too much. So don't close the door, don't turn away. There's still so much my heart wants to say. We can't change the tears we've cried, but we can choose to leave them behind. Let's find a new way to love, a new way to stay. No more breaking each other's hearts and walking away. Let the past be the lesson, not the chain that we wear. If you reach for my hand, baby, I'll meet you there. Let's find a new way to love, softer and true, with more understanding in things that we do. Through forgiveness and faith, we can rise above, you and I. A new way to love, oh, a new way to love, oh. It's never enough to say goodbye when the feeling is strong. Come back to my heart where you belong. I remember the warmth of your sweet embrace, the little quiet moments, your beautiful face. No fancy words could ever explain how I still feel your love inside my veins. Maybe forever means learning to bend, being lovers, being partners, being best friends. When the world gets hard and the nights get long, holding each other is where we stay strong. I'll listen when you need to speak, I'll hold you when you're feeling weak. And when my heart forgets the way, your love will bring me back again. Let's find a new way to love, a new way to stay. No more breaking each other's hearts and walking away. Let the past be the lesson, not the chain that we wear. If you reach for my hand, baby, I'll meet you there. Let's find a new way to love, softer and true, with more understanding in the things that we do. Through forgiveness and faith, we can rise above, you and I, baby. A new way to love. Drop the bass, rim shot, soft organ and intimate vocal. I forgive the words you said in anger. Forgive me for the times I made you cry. We don't have to be the same as yesterday. We can learn to love another way tonight. No more keeping score of who was wrong. No more letting little storms grow strong. One kiss can start the healing again. One touch can bring us home in the end.
rock groove opens up. Melodic bassline, softer. Muted guitar skank. Gentle trumpet and saxophone phrases. Let's find a new way to love, a new way to stay. When the clouds come rolling, we won't run away. We'll face every season with our hearts open wide, with forgiveness and affection standing side by side. Let's find a new way to love, forever and true. Every road that I travel still leads back to you. From this day only, whatever comes our way, I'll keep choosing you in a new way. A cappella harmonies over fading keys and percussion. A new way, a sweeter way to love you, baby. No more goodbye, no more running away. Just you and I, finding our way.
Soft one, drop rim shot for my organ. Gentle skank guitar, deep melodic bass slowly enters. Yeah, yeah. We've been through the hard times, but if love is still alive, we can rise again. We built our dreams on a little faith. Two young hearts trying to find our place. Some days the sun, some days the rain. Still I would choose you all over again. But life got heavy, the road got steep. We carried worries we could not keep. I saw the distance in your eyes while we were sleeping side by side. I know the struggle changed our song, but deep inside the love stayed strong. If we can face the truth tonight, maybe we can bring back the light. When the world gets hard, we'll rise back to love. Lift our hearts higher than the clouds above. Through the pain and the tears, we won't give up. You and I together, we'll rise back to love. When the night feels long and the road gets rough, I'll be your shelter when the days get tough. With forgiveness in our hearts, we'll be strong enough to find our way again and rise back to love. Oh, rise back to love. Oh, never give up. Hold me closer, don't let go. Through the high and through the low. I remember nights when we had nothing, just one small room and a lot of dreaming. You'd hold me close and whisper low. One day, baby, we'll make it, I know. Now we have more, but somewhere along we forgot the reason we stayed so strong. So let us go back to that simple place where all we needed was love and faith. No mountain is too high to climb when your hand is holding mine. Let's put the broken past behind and leave those lonely days behind. When the world gets hard, we'll rise back to love. Lift our hearts higher than the clouds above. Through the pain and the tears, we won't give up. You and I together, we'll rise back to love. When the night feels long and the road gets rough, I'll be your shelter when the days get tough. With forgiveness in our hearts, we'll be strong enough to find our way again and rise back to love. Clap to both. Soft even and intimately found. I forgive the days you turned away. Forgive me for the things I didn't say. We were both afraid to lose control, while slowly breaking what we love the most. But look at us, we're still standing here, after every storm, after every tear. So take my hand, don't be afraid. Our best days haven't passed away. Drop drums, soft guitar sky. When the world gets hard, we'll rise back to love, with a stronger heart and faith above. Every scar will remind us how far we've come, and every broken piece will become one. When the night feels long, I'll stand by your side. No more running, no more place to hide. For the rest of my days, whatever comes along, with you, my love, is where I belong. Whoa, right, back to love. Oh, through the rain, through the pain, I'll call your name. Hold me close, don't let go. Together we'll rise back to love. When a new morning comes, love can begin again. Last night the rain was on the window, and the silence filled this room. To reach and hold you, but my pride stood in the way. Now the moon is slowly leaving, and I've got so much to say. So before the first light touches your face, before another moment slips away, let me tell you what my heart has known. I never stopped calling you home. When morning finds us, let it find us close, with all the love we nearly lost holding us the most. Leave the tears behind us, let forgiveness lead the way. When morning finds us, baby, let our love stay. When morning finds us, let the old pain go. Like the river to the ocean, let our true love flow. If you take my hand, I'll never let it slip away. When morning
simple things we share together are the things I truly miss. We don't need to chase perfection. We just need to understand that a heart can heal much better when another heart takes its hand. I'll listen when you need me near. I'll wipe away each hidden tear. No more letting silence win. If you let this love begin again. When morning finds us, let it find us close. With all the love we nearly lost, holding us the most. Leave the tears behind us, let forgiveness lead the way. When morning finds us, baby, let our love stay. When morning finds us, let the old pain go. Like the river to the ocean, let our true love flow. If you take my hand, I'll never let it slip away. When morning finds us, we'll start again today. Music drops the bass. Rimshot and Paul Morgan. No more counting who was wrong. No more turning love into a lonely song. I forgive you and forgive me too, 'cause forever still looks good on me and you. Let the sunrise paint the sky. Let the old hurt say goodbye. One more chance, one more embrace. Let's put love back in its rightful place. Trumpet and saxophone answering the melody. When morning finds us, let it find us strong. After every broken night, we'll still be holding on. With affection in our hearts and a promise we both made. When morning finds us, it's a new day to awake. When morning finds us, I'll be by your side. Through the changing seasons, through the turning tide. Every day I'll choose you, every night I'll say. When morning finds us, my love is here to stay. Mellow harp
Sometimes all we need is the one we love to pull us back. I've been walking through these lonely days, trying to smile while hiding all the pain. Every street, every song I hear brings back the love I once had near. I know my words could cut too deep. I made you cry when you needed peace. Now every night I ask myself, how did I let our love become someone else's memory? But if there's still a little light, still one small reason not to say goodbye. Reach for me before the darkness grows. There's something in my heart you need to know. Pull me back to you, don't let me drift away. I was lost inside my pride, but I know I wanna stay. Take these broken pieces, let your tender love shine through. If there's one place I belong, it's right back next to you. Pull me back to you, let forgiveness be the key. Open up the door, baby, set this lonely heart free. Through the storm and through the rain, I'll be faithful, I'll be true. When the whole world pulls me down, pull me back to you. Oh, pull me back to you. My heart knows what is true. Oh, pull me back to you. Baby, only you can make me new. Remember when we danced by the shoreline, barefoot under stars, you were holding mine. We didn't have much, but we had enough. A little music and a whole lot of love. Then the seasons changed and we changed too. I stopped seeing all the good in you, but distance taught me what my heart forgot. Your love was everything I thought I had lost. So let me listen when you speak, let me be strong when you feel weak. No more promises I never keep. I'll plant this love where the roots grow deep. Pull me back to you, don't let me drift away. I was lost inside my pride, but I know I wanna stay. Take these broken pieces, let your tender love shine through. If there's one place I belong, it's right back next to you. Pull me back to you, let forgiveness be the key. Open up the door, baby, set this lonely heart free. Through the storm and through the rain, I'll be faithful, I'll be true. When the whole world pulls me down, pull me back to you. Drop to the bass, rim shot and warmonger. I don't need another paradise if you're not there by my side. I don't need another thousand dreams when you're the only dream I see. Forgive the man I used to be, let your love bring out the best in me. And every day from here and now, I'll show you what forever's all about. On left baseline, take center stage. One drop drums, you take guitar skank. Oh my God, soft trumpet and saxophone phrases. Pull me back to you when my heart forgets the way. Remind me of the promise that we made electric piano, soft skank guitar, gentle shakers. It's the dimension like come closer, deep bass slowly entering. Yeah. Leave the worries at the door tonight. Come closer, just breathe and let love speak. I can see the weight upon your shoulders, even when you say that you're alright. You've been carrying yesterday's worries long after the ending of the night. Come and put your head upon my shoulder. You don't have to hide your tears from me. Love ain't always sunshine in the summer. Sometimes healing starts with honesty. So take my hand and slow it down. Let all that heavy feeling leave you now. No need to run, no need to fight. We've got a little love left here tonight. Breathe into my love, let your heart come alive. Leave the hurt behind you, baby. Let the old pain slide. I'll hold you through the silence. I'll be here when shadows fall. You don't have to carry everything alone at all. Breathe into my love. Let forgiveness set you free. Give another chance to the love between you and me. Through every scar and every storm that we've been dreaming of, close your eyes, come closer, and breathe into my love. Just breathe, let your heart find peace. Come close, you're the one I need the most. Start. Right into my heart. There were nights when I was far from perfect. Said some words that I wish I could erase. I was fighting battles with my ego, while you only wanted my embrace. Now I know that love is more than talking. It's the little things we choose to do. It's forgiving when the road gets rocky. It's remembering why I chose you. I won't promise there'll be no rain, but I'll stand beside you through the pain. And when the darkness covers up the sky, I'll be a shelter till the morning arrives. Breathe into my love, let your heart come alive. Leave the hurt behind you, baby. Let the old pain slide. I'll hold you through the silence. I'll be here when shadows fall. You don't have to carry everything alone at all. Now, breathe into my love. Let forgiveness set you free. Give another chance to the love between you and me. Through every scar and every storm that we've been dreaming of, close your heart, come closer, and breathe into my heart. I've got to eat some light that face, rim shot and warm organ. If you need to cry, cry on my shoulder. If you need some time, I'll wait right here. If your heart is tired from the journey, I'll replace your worry with something sincere. No more blame, no more pretending, no more keeping score of yesterday. We can write another chapter together and let our love become the words we say. Deep one drop bassline, muted skank guitar, warm organ, soft drum, the responses in.
One more chance that you love. That's enough. Bloods and drums, rattle soft and wild keys. The carried hobbies to make. Breeze the dawn. The night is almost gone. More running. No more running. No more hiding. We can carry on. Breathe into my love. And I'll breathe into yours. Forever starts again when we open the door. Soft electric piano, muted scan guitar. Gentle shakers, distant haunts our stars. Yeah. We've been sitting in the same room, but somehow we're a million miles apart. You keep hiding all your feelings while I'm wondering what's inside your heart. I remember when you told me every little dream you had inside. Now the silence keeps on growing, and we're both too proud to say what's on our minds. So don't keep your feelings locked away. There's something beautiful we could say. If you tell me what you're feeling tonight, I'll listen with my heart, not just my eyes. Talk to me, baby, don't let silence win. Tell me where it hurts, let the healing begin. If you still love me, don't be afraid to say we can leave the heartbreak somewhere yesterday. Talk to me, baby, let your heart speak true. I'll tell you all the things I've been hiding too. No more guessing, no more running from love. Let's open up our hearts and let the healing go. Talk to me, tell me what you need from me. Don't hide, let your heart come outside. Talk to me, talk to me tonight. Baby, love is waiting on the other side. I know I haven't always heard you. Sometimes I was too busy being right. I let my pride become a wall when all you needed was my arms around you tight. And I know you have your reasons for keeping all your feelings far away. But if forgiveness still has meaning, we can choose a better road today. I don't need you to be perfect, I just need you to be real. Give me every fear you're carrying, let me show you how I feel. Talk to me, baby, don't let silence win. Tell me where it hurts, let the healing begin. If you still love me, don't be afraid to say we can leave the heartbreak somewhere yesterday. Talk to me, baby, let your heart speak true. I'll tell you all the things I've been hiding too. No more guessing, no more running from love. Let's open up our hearts and let the healing come. Talk to me, rip shot and warm organ. Tell me about the nights you cried. Tell me about the times I wasn't by your side. I'll tell you about my lonely nights too, and every moment I was missing you. We can't change what happened before, but we can open a brand new door. If we're brave enough to let love speak, maybe the future is all we need.
Talk to me,
Open your heart, don't let love fall apart. Talk to me, baby, don't let silence win. We have too much love to let the distance settle in. If there's forgiveness in your heart, give me one more chance. Let's turn these broken memories into another romance. Talk to me, baby, I'll tell you the truth. My heart still belongs to me and you. No more hiding, no more running from love. We'll say what we feel and let the healing come.
talk to me, talk to me.
Let your heart speak freely. Talk to me.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Tell me what you need, baby. One heart, two souls, one love. That's all we need to know. Soft harmonies over fading guitar keys and tropical percussion. No more silence, no more hiding. Talk to me, and I'll talk to you. If love is still here, let's give it a voice. Talk to me tonight and stay with me for life.
Warm electric piano, gentle one drop my crowns, soft skank guitar, deep melodic bass, distant horn textile. Yeah, through every storm, through every season, when two hearts choose love, something beautiful begins to happen. We started with a simple feeling, two hearts beneath an evening sky. You gave me hope when mine was fading, and taught my wounded heart to try.
We had our moments full of trouble. We had some nights we couldn't see, but every time the world got colder, your love brought a warmth back into me.
Maybe love ain't always easy. Maybe hearts can lose their way, but when forgiveness finds the doorway,
I remember when you doubted if my promises were real. I had to learn that loving someone means respecting how they feel.
So I won't make 1,000 promises just to make you stay tonight. I'll show you through my actions that our future can be bright.
If I hurt you, I will listen. If you hurt me, I'll forgive. We don't need to hide our weakness. That's the way true lovers live. Let love do the work. Let it carry us through. When the road gets heavy, I'll be standing with you. No matter what we've broken, no matter what we've been through, I'll keep choosing your heart, and you'll keep choosing me too.
Let love do the work. Let the healing begin. Wash away the sorrow we've been carrying within. Through every storm and every tear, our love will find a way. Two hearts, one journey, choosing love every day.
Drop to bass, rim shot and warm organ. When we don't know where tomorrow goes, I'll hold your hand and take it slow. When the darkness covers up the sky, I'll remind you why our love survives.
We don't need to have it all.
We just need to rise each time we fall.
With patience, faith, and tenderness, we'll turn our pain into happiness.
Let love work, let love flow, let the healing grow. Let love do the work, let it carry us through. Every scar is a reminder of what love can do. We have walked through the fire, and we're still standing strong. With your heart next to mine, I know where I belong. Let love do the work, from tonight to forever. Through the changing seasons, we'll hold on together. If the world brings another storm, we'll face it hand in hand. Because love has built a bridge where we once couldn't stand. Love does the work when our strength is gone. Love does the work, and it keeps us moving on. One heart, one soul, one journey, one love. Warm keys and gentle percussion, stay slowly. Let love do the work. Let love lead the way. Through the tears, through the years. If I have you beside me,
I spent so many nights pretending that I didn't need somebody near. Built a wall around my feelings just to keep myself from fear. Then you came with patient loving, never asking me to change. And somewhere between your kisses, I forgot why I was afraid. Now the walls are falling down and I don't wanna turn around. If loving you means losing pride, then I'll leave my pride behind. I surrender to love, I surrender to you, to the warmth in your embrace and the things you make me do. I've been running from my feelings, but there's nowhere left to run. When two hearts find each other, baby, love has overcome. I surrender to love, let the healing begin. Let forgiveness wash away everything we've held within. No more hiding, no more fear, no more reasons to depart. Tonight I give you everything, the truth inside my heart. Oh, I surrender to this feeling growing stronger. Oh, oh, I surrender. Baby, love has made me better. Oh, no more fighting, no more running. My heart knows where it belongs. There were moments when we stumbled and our words became like rain, falling hard upon each other, leaving both of us in pain. But I learned that love is patient and forgiveness makes it strong. Sometimes two imperfect people can still build a love that lasts lifelong. So take my hand and walk with me into the place we're meant to be. We don't have to know the road as long as neither walks alone. I surrender to love, I surrender to you, to the warmth in your embrace and the things you make me do. I've been running from my feelings, but there's nowhere left to run. When two hearts find each other, baby, love has overcome. I surrender to love, let the healing begin. Let forgiveness wash away everything we've held within. No more hiding, no more fear, no more reasons to depart. Tonight I give you everything, the truth inside my heart. Drop to deep bass, brim shot and walk all night. I forgive the nights you hurt me, you forgive the times I made you cry. We don't have to keep the score of every tear we left behind. Let the past become a lesson, not a prison for our hearts. If we choose each other, baby, nothing has to tear us apart. Tropic grave shaker, have your heart, let the healing start. I surrender to love with no fear anymore. I'm opening my heart.
I surrender to your love. No more hiding, no more fear. Take my heart, hold it near. I surrender to love. I surrender to you.
Deep melodic bass, slow skank guitar, warm electric piano, gentle shaker, subtle horn at soft. Yeah, love ain't a game. I don't wanna hide behind my pride or keep pretending everything's alright. We've been through seasons of confusion, too many tears, too much illusion. You gave me love when I was empty, held me close when the world got heavy. But I let my foolish ways come between us. Now I see the treasure that was right beside me. So hear me now, I'm telling you true. I don't want nobody else but you. No more running, no more disguise. I see forever when I look in your eyes. No more games with love, I'm serious tonight. No more walking out when we get into a fight. I've learned that your heart is too precious to lose. If I get one more chance, I'll give my all to you. No more games with love, no more wasting time. I'm leaving all my foolish ways behind. Through the heartbreak, through the pain we knew, I'm choosing love, and I'm choosing you. Oh, no more games. Love is calling out our names. Oh, no more fear. I'm staying right here. No more running, no more hiding. Baby, my heart is deciding it's you. I know you remember every promise, every time I said I'd change and didn't. So I won't just give you empty words, I'll let my actions show you what I've learned. If you cry, I'll be there beside you. If you're tired, I'll carry some of the load. If the road gets rough between us, we'll slow it down and find another road. I can't erase the things I've done, but I can love you better from now on. Let forgiveness open up the door, and I'll prove what my heart is fighting for. No more games with love, I'm serious tonight. No more walking out when we get into a fight. I've learned that your heart is too precious to lose. If I get one more chance, I'll give my heart to you. No more games with love, no more wasting time. I'm leaving all my foolish ways behind. Through the heartbreak, through the pain we knew, I'm choosing love, and I'm choosing you. Drop the bass, rim shot and warm organ. Yeah, baby, I know trust takes time, so I'll be patient while you heal your mind. I won't ask you to forget the past, I'll give you reasons to believe this love can last. Every morning, every night, I'll keep choosing you and making things right. We don't need a perfect story, just a love that's honest, strong and worthy. Deep one drop, bassline, warm organ, sweet guitar skank, subtle trumpet and saxophone phrases, tropical percussion. No more lies, real love. Open your eyes, open your eyes. No more games with love, I'm giving you my heart. Even after all the times we nearly fell apart, every scar between us tells a story. We survive, and the love we have today is the reason
a storm, I'll see it through. No more game, no more game, no more game. Let forever call our names. No more fear, no more doubt. This is what real love is about. One heart, one promise, one love, no more game. Soft guitar, skank and warm keys, 8-minute late harmonies. I'm serious, baby. I'm here to stay. No more running, no more hiding. Just love, just trust, just you and me. No more games with love. Soft it comes, yeah. No need to hurry tonight. Leave the worries behind. Come ride this sweet love with me. Put your worries down, come closer. Let the music wash the day away. I've been waiting just to see you, and I'm grateful that you're here today. We don't need a fancy destination, just your hand resting inside of mine. Every little smile you give me makes this ordinary moment shine. So let the rhythm take control, let the sweet vibration touch your soul. No pressure, baby, take your time. Tonight your heart can rest with mine. Take it easy with my love, baby, take it slow. There's nowhere else that we need to go. Let the music play while the warm breeze blows. I'll hold you close and never let you go. Take it easy with my love, don't worry tonight. We'll leave yesterday somewhere out of sight. After all the tears, after all we've been through, I just want this peaceful moment with you. Oh, easy with my love, like the moonlight shining from above. Oh, easy tonight. Let your heart feel alright. Slow wine, sweet time, your hand in mine. No pressure, no fear, just love right here. There were days we couldn't understand each other. Words got lost somewhere along the way. I know I hurt you with my silence, and you hurt me when you walked away. But time has taught us something precious. Love is more than being right or wrong. It's forgiving little imperfections and choosing each other when the night feels long. So leave the old tears in the past. Some beautiful things are meant to last. Give me your heart, I'll give you mine, and let our love move at its own sweet time. Take it easy with my love, baby, take it slow. There's nowhere else that we need to go. Let the music play while the warm breeze blows. I'll hold you close and never let you go. Take it easy with my love, don't worry tonight. We'll leave yesterday somewhere out of sight. After all the tears, after all we've been through, I just want this peaceful moment with you. Drop to deep bass.
shot and warm organ. No more fighting over yesterday. No more letting little things get in the way. I forgive you, baby, forgive me too. We're stronger now because we made it through. So dance with me beneath the stars. Let me remind you who we are. Two hearts learning how to trust again. Two lovers choosing to begin again. Taste to mine. One drop groove. Then I rock blues, mute and skank guitar. Easy, easy. Take it slow. Let the good love flow. Take it easy with my love, baby, take it slow. Feel the rhythm moving underneath your soul. Every little heartbeat tells me what I know. After all this time, I never wanna let you go. Take it easy with my love, stay right here tonight. Let forgiveness turn the darkness into light. Through every season, I'll keep loving you. With a peaceful heart and a promise that's true. My love, sweet like the stars above. Easy, easy tonight. Everything is gonna be alright. One love, one heart. No matter where we are, our love one key, soft guitar, untroubled pressure. Right, you guy. Take it easy. Come closer. Leave your worries behind. Your heart is safe with mine. Easy with my love. Tonight and forever.